How to log in to DGme Benefits. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into DGme Benefits. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser, then search for DGme Benefits login. Hit enter and there you'll find different websites. So what you can do from here is simply head over to this login option, open this website up, and there you should be at. So what you'll now need to do is choose this benefits option right here, and it should take you to this website. So after you're on the benefits website, you can see a login option. If you don't see, that's fine. Scroll down and there we go. There we have it. Tap on DGme login, and from here you should be able to see how you can log in into your account. So if you scroll down, you will simply need to head over to the login page where you can type in your email and then your password to log in. And that's basically how simple it is, guys. And that's basically all for today's video. So yeah, just open up your DGme and simply log in. And that's how you do it, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye and take care.